Hi guys and welcome back to another video. Like it's the same day, so it will.
Yeah, we made this video like 1 minute before after we made the other video
Yeah.
that's gonna be published at
Yeah. So in the meantime, the videos is actually right now is publishing, but it will take 10 minutes. Let's go to endless mode.
Yeah, probably y'all are gonna say that it's already published, but this was before it was published.
Yeah, but it will be published. This video, it will be published on the same minute and the same hour.
Should we count this as a day? Should we count this as an October or should we just say October episode 1 endless mode?
Yeah,
I think it's the same. It's the same day, so we should do the second idea.
Yeah. So, but to make the to make a playlist, we gotta make this later. Then
Ooh, do you see the rewards? Those are pretty good.
pune ăsta. I mean, yeah, we speak Romanian, like we said in the other
That
video.
means put this one.
So guys, if you want to support us, make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah. Should do that.
So if you want to check out this series, it will be in a playlist. So check out the playlist.
After we have enough money, we should put the posters aka Cabo. So
Yeah.
you guys don't call me Lardo.
So we are pretty big JJS fans. If you want,
JJS?
yeah.
thought
No,
it was called
JJK. I forgot it's called JJK, not JJS. Oopsies.
You guys can call us rappers because we are fans of JJK, but we sometimes confuse JJS because we play it so much.
Yeah. So then
Let's put a poster, so you guys don't call
yeah,
us
bro.
rappers.
So
You guys don't call us rappers. It's actually named Cabo.
yeah. So guys, if you want to I forgot what I wanted to say. Wait a second. How did I forget? I don't have Alzheimer's, guys. I promise you, I don't have Alzheimer's. So I forgot.
Yeah, it's like he has Alzheimer's. I was kidding.
Bro, so how did I forget in 3 seconds what I wanted to say?
I don't know.
I don't know, short memory time loss or something like that. I don't know.
Fingerbearer is actually pretty good because it has a passive where if it shows cuts energy, it does 10% more damage.
Yeah, but we are making a game, so we will begin
But our best
once
characteristic
we will make another series on Mimsy. If you guys didn't play Mimsy, it's very cool. And basically we'll make a dev log for every update we make to our game. So yeah.
Also, if you guys want to, you can suggest some games that you want us to play.
What did you say? Can you say that again?
If you want, you can suggest some games that you want us to play.
Yeah, you can suggest games in the comments, and we will actually listen for what to add. And in the April Fools update, you can guys comment anything and it will be added. The comment with the most likes in the April Fool's update will get added no matter what it is. Like if it's family friendly or not, we don't care because our game is not family friendly.
Also, you donate the top comment still doesn't count because if you donate it's always the top comment. It has to be with the most likes.
Oh yeah, if you donate down the comments, we would appreciate it very much because yeah,
We're losing.
we are losing.
Do you realize that?
No.
Put all those for backup. Few of them. Just in case backup.
1% Black Flash. We gotta step our game up. This is no joke. This game is no joke. He has. Oh no.
Oh, no.
I think we'll not defeat it.
Sisona's basic was so strong.
Yeah, bro. I think
I remember it only having 5,000.
I know, bro. But this is endless mode. Of course it
Oh yeah, I
is.
forgot. If
So-
it's endless mode, it does more health.
Yeah, guys, if you want us to check out other games that are actually very good and very good quality, yeah, we will check it out. But
Also, please-
every game you will ask in the comments will be added to a wheel, and whichever game gets picked, we will play it and probably.
Wait, no, I know what to do. The top 3 comments that are gonna be on our comment section are gonna be on a wheel, and which one wins, it's gonna be the game for the day.
Yeah, and we will probably make 2 videos per day in vacation, but after the vacation, probably, no, I don't know, 1 video every 2 days because we don't have much time to play.
Also, if we have time, we can actually make 3 videos per day.
Yeah, but probably not for me. I have a problem with the eyes. But I will try. Oh, 2 minutes till the other videos is published. After the video, we'll stop for the day. Or if it gets comments very quick, we will actually consider playing next day, and we will be adding it. But we will see.
Tomorrow we will probably
Spin the wheel.
make a video at 16 because tomorrow I'm gonna go to Montenegro. Or cum se zice? Translate it, please.
Cum? Say it in Romanian.
Sau cum se zice? Please translate it.
Unde te duceai?
Montenegro.
Montana? Montenegro?
Da.
Stai să caut Google Translate.
Yeah, let's just stop with the translate.
Cum ai zis?
I think they know what we mean. Let's just
Mai zi
stop.
o dată pentru că dau un Google Translate.
No, it's okay. I think they know what we said.
No, say it, please.
No, it's okay.
Just say it.
No.
I want to translate it. I'm the narrator this time.
Montenegro. Montenegro.
Montenegro.
Da.
Montenegro. So they probably don't know. We gotta step our game up. We are losing.
Let's just say that we're gonna go to a country. So
Bro, please, Black Flash, at least once.
yeah, bro, please.
Bro, our luck is running down since the last video.
At least we have a backup source. Many backup sorcerers.
Ooh, 10 minutes till it verifies. I don't know. It verifies. I don't know. Ooh, 10 minutes.
Also, I don't know if it gets shown to many people. I don't know if that will happen. We're probably gonna make another video very fast.
So
If people somehow
the video will be released at 12 p.m. But no,
10 p.m.
No, 000 at that time in our state, Romania, it will release. But wait, let me see when is programmed. It's on GMT plus 0300 GMT. So that's our local time. I think I should have not said that because they probably know how to dox us now. Dox me actually because it's my local time. So yeah, it
My
releases.
local time right now is 20:53 because my country where I am right now is 1 hour.
Yeah. So my friend is gonna have 50% of the income we make. So yeah, that's very fair, no?
Yeah.
And
50.
because she's my childhood friend since the first day of I forgot how to say it.
Just say the first school. Hello, my name is Edwidinus. No, we're actually losing.
What?
Back up.
Since kindergarten, the first day of kindergarten. Kindergarten.
Yeah, kindergarten.
Yeah.
Back up right now, we're losing.
I'm trying. I think we will lose. Just auto ski because get to the best wave we can, nah?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Because there are rewards for the waves we complete.
Keep waving. Okay, good.
After this video, we'll probably do Mimsy next, but we will see.
After this video, we will just play offline. And tomorrow we will publish more videos if we can.
Yeah, we will do a quick video of Mimsy, then I think that. So, wait, I gotta go AFK so my mom called me to eat. We'll be right back. O să dau pauza, Aris, pentru că mă duc la masă. So, the video is gonna keep going. I gotta go eat, then we will be right back. So opresc videoul.
Back.
Okay, Ta-da-da-ta-ta-ta.
This. Are și doar un YouTube care și are un îi place de tine. Oi, 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 oi. Ce vrești tu? Da, duc început.
Da?
Da, aduce aici. Ca să fie mai ușor să o luăm.
Alright, I'm back. How long
Hello.
has it been? Holy, 25 minutes? I never had a video 25 minutes. Only below 15 minutes I have ever had. But this is more than 15 minutes. And good thing I made so I can do past 15 minutes, so I can do this. What have you been doing till I was gone?
Playing, I don't know.
Hmm. I got Panda. Is Panda good?
What?
Is Panda good? A 4%. It is epic.
Let me see.
Well, you are not on this.
1 second.
So I think I gotta sell a little bit towels. Guys, we will make the we will hop off because we had one round, but we will do more rounds and yeah. So
It's probably gonna do kind of like.
yeah, so and probably we are gonna do Mimsy now.
Eu não acho. I mean, I won. I probably won't play.
Credeam că ai zis că după asta facem
Ah, da.
Mimsy.
Am zis aia, dacă nu mai dați.
Bro, please.
Te rog.
Hai te rog. Nu
Te
de
rog.
data asta.
Doar de data asta să ieși.
Nu doar de data asta să jucăm Mimsy. Adică acum nu ai chef, nu?
Da, acum nu am chef.
Doar de data asta, bine? Stai să intru pe tine ca să facem outro-ul. Wait, what? So, hai să facem outro și după aia să facem puțin din Mimsy, ok?
Nu.
Bine, atunci fac eu singur. Bye, guys!
Bye.
Nice?